Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video. Yo, so it's been 5 months of me using this 100% unrefined Batana oil. So did it help grow my hair? Alright, welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now for people that actually subscribe to this channel who's been following me on my Batana oil for hair growth videos, you're probably watching this right now and be like, oh shit, I'm definitely not using this. It made this nigga's hair fall out, right? Like last video we saw him talking about it, he had like thick, crazy ass hair. What happened? Well, here's what happened. All right, so I was using this oil for, like I said, 4 months, 5 months, and really 4 months, whatever. And you know, I was trying to use it with my hair, that I had thicker hair and shit. I was using it, right? But then I started getting my hair cut, and I was using like fibers and all that stuff, like that make my hair look thicker and all that, but still trying to use this Batana oil, right? Then I found, son of a bitch, it fell, sorry about that. Then I found myself like getting my hair cut fresh and everything, having it neat, having my little fibers and all kinds of shit. Then I found myself like not really using it because like I didn't want to mess up my hair. I didn't want to like, you know, take shit out of my hair, right? So, and I'm sure there's a way I could have been still putting this oil in, right? So I kind of been like, I would do it maybe like twice a week, maybe. Then it got to the point where I was using it once a week. Then it got to the point my hair was looking so damn fresh. I had all these different things going on to make it look super nice, super thick, right? And I'm like, damn, I ain't using this shit at all, right? But I want to use it because I want to see what kind of results I can get, you know, from this, right? So what I decided to do yesterday, I went to get my hair cut, you know what I'm saying? And when I woke up, you know what I'm saying, my hair was just crazy wild and shit, right? Had all these like thin spots here, thick ass spots over here, kind of looking like Krusty the Clown and shit, right? And I was just like, it looked like a mess, right? So I'm like, I can't do this shit. I gotta start over. I gotta start fresh. You know what I'm saying? And I always said in my videos, I'm like, yo, if this shit get out of control, if I can't, you know, thicken it the way I want, I was like, shit, I'll just go low with it. I'm cool with it, right? Low maintenance shit. And that's exactly what I did when I went to my barber yesterday. I'm like, yo, I need some low maintenance shit. Like I gotta, you know, start fresh, whatever. And this way, I can start fresh, you know, with this now. Because now I could just use it, just rub it in, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It's so low, it don't even matter what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So I can use this now consistently, like I said I would do, right? When I started this like 4 or 5 months ago, I'm like, yo, son, I'm going to use this shit every day consistent. Like I ain't playing around. And then once I start, you know what I'm saying, manipulating my hair and shit, I'm like, I don't really want to touch it. Like I don't want to use this to mess it up, blah, blah, blah. So, my thoughts on this so far, did I think it was helping a little bit? Maybe. You know what I'm saying? But my hair was so damn wild and like, then I became inconsistent. It's like, to be honest with you, I'm damn near starting from scratch. You know what I'm saying? Like I that's what I feel like. So I do think I'm still going to use this. Well, I know I'm still going to use this because one of the main reasons I got this, because I seen a lot of which what I feel real reviews, you know, really saying this shit helps out when it comes to like thickening their hair or making it a little longer, whatever. So I'm gonna try it out. But in the meantime, you know what I'm saying, I'm rocking the low shit, you know what I'm saying, right? Not a problem with that. And honestly, it's like a relief because I'm a low maintenance dude. And outside of doing videos, like I always got hats and shit on anyway. So it's kind of like a relief. Like not having to worry about my hair being all wild and putting fibers in and all this other shit. It was kind of like, I'm like fresh with the shit now. You know what I mean? So, another thing my barber was telling me about, you can give me your opinion on it. He was telling me, because I never heard of it, but like micro pigmentation and shit, right? To get that illusion and all that shit. So I don't know. There's different opportunities out there. But ultimately, I'm cool with this length right now. I'm cool with the way it is right now. You know what I'm saying? But for years, I had more of the thicker hair. And you can look at my other videos. It was just thicker, right? But shit, I'm cool with this. And like I said, I might get a little thicker at the top. Just a little bit more at the top. I might, next time I get my hair cut, you know what I'm saying? Match the beard, whatever. But yeah, like I have nothing bad to say about this. This shit does have a lot of very positive reviews. So I'm still gonna rock with it and see what happens. And like I said, report back and see if it did help. Cause now, by being so low and pretty much even, I'll be able to see more if it's helping. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you want to check this out, I'll put the link to where I got it from. Supposedly, I got it from the official website. You know what I mean? Real quick, too, just to show you what it looked like. It's like this thick consistency. Come on, man. See that? Man, that's what it looked like. See, I still got a little less than half the bottle left. So, yeah, but 5 months. I used it pretty tough for like 4 months, you know what I'm saying? I slipped, but I got a fresh new cut. You know what I'm saying? I'm starting basically over. So we'll see what happened with it. But did Batana Oil actually help my hair grow thicker? Honestly, I don't know.